This brief screencast shows you how to work with accounting software exercises in the Accounting 1 text, even when the version of the software changes. For example, when you download the exercise called With Strings Attached, you will see a folder called 7.3 Simply Accounting Opening File. This folder contains another folder and a data file. These two items must always be found together. Never separate them. They must be contained in the same folder. The data file was created with Simply Accounting 2011 Release D. The instructions in the text were, of course, geared to that version, but Simply Accounting has changed. It is now called Sage 50. Sage 50 Accounting. Fortunately, this presently causes no concern for textbook instructions. The look and feel of the software remains stable, and the instructions in the text remain sound. In fact, my students completed With Strings Attached last year using Sage 50 2014, and they encountered no difficulties whatsoever. Even more fortunate is that for educational purposes, Sage 50 Accounting is free to students and teachers. The free versions include Sage 50 Accounting 2014, 2013, and 2012. Just make sure that students are using the same version at home as teachers install in the lab. Sage 50 Accounting is not backward compatible, meaning that data files updated to 2014, for example, cannot later be used by Sage 2012. Back to With Strings Attached. As mentioned earlier, keep the data file and its associated folder together. Do feel free to change the name of the enclosing folder. This will help you organize and back up your work. To customize your exercise, open the data file for With Strings Attached. Then, add your name to the so-called company information. Now your name will appear on all reports. After closing the file, duplicate and rename the enclosing folder. Copy one of the folders to your network account or to some other storage device. This greatly reduces your risk of future data loss. Enjoy.